Hi, hello, good afternoon. Today is July 8, 2026, and the markets are in red across the board. Nifty 50 is down about 2.38%. Nifty small cap is down 2.31%, and Nifty mid cap 2.04%. IT, banking, everything is down. So the oil marketing companies, they also got affected. The major reason, what is the main reason on a macro level? US-Iran conflict has started again. The ceasefire got cancelled as per terms of the President Trump. So he is saying, enough is enough. I can't live with it anymore. So that because of which oil prices have gone up. Crude oil prices today alone, they have gone up by more than 6%. As we speak, it's about $79. It's about 3 p.m. now, $79 per barrel. So 6% up in a single day. That is the major reason. And in addition to that, US markets, some of the Asian markets like Korea and all, it's minus 20% from peak. So the analysts are saying that it has gone into a bear grip. No, more than 20%. Generally, they call it as a bear market. So, and also investors, foreign investors, they have gone into risk off mode. These are all the reasons. The major reason being US-Iran conflict, and because of which oil prices going up. So oil prices is very crucial for Indian economy. Hence, Indian markets are also getting knocked. And in addition to that, in the past couple of weeks, our market has also gone up. So probably profit taking might also be happening. But anyway, having said that, long-term story in India is intact. Any war-torn countries to come to a conclusion, it might take 6 months or a year. It will not happen in a single day, as per past experiences in between war between different countries. So let us hope in the next 3 months or 6 months this will come to a full stop. Till then, these kind of jerks will be there. So we have to live with it, and as long as the oil prices doesn't shoot up too high, India is in a good position. Let us hope and let us pray for peace all over the world, and some good thing happening in Indian markets. As a long-term investor, all Indian investors definitely can gain. Nothing much to worry. Continue with your SIP investments, and buy during dips. Generally mutual funds are a better route. So having said that, see you in another video.